Good evening, it's William here. I'm just working on a new replacement set of parts for a model tank. So it's a 116 Leopard. These are the sort of wheels that were sent to us. And basically they wanted us to sort of try and reverse engineer these so they can get some replacement wheels. So this is what we've ended up making. It's made of several different parts and we've got the TPU tyre on it as well. But I'm just going to show you how we actually assemble these wheels. So to make sure they run true, you need to try and make sure everything is concentric, and therefore I've put little different steps on this just so that they all align, and hopefully that should help keep it central, but also it helps make it run true as well, because we don't want it to wobble when we're rotating. So anyway, I've made this little sort of jig. This will help us assemble the wheels. And first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to add on this piece here, which is the central hub. So I'm just going to put that through and hear that click. So that's now in place and that's now right on the back. We are then going to take the back piece of the wheel, which is this piece here, and then that is going to go over here. So again, that's just going to click into the top. We're going to press that down. Now what we're going to do is take some solvent weld and run it around this join. So that, using capillary action, will be pulled into the join. I'm going to put a little bit of excess on top of that flat as well, because then what we can do is take this other piece. This is a central spacer, so I'm going to put that in as well, and again push that home, run some solvent weld around that join now. There we are. And now for the final piece, we need to put that on. We're going to have to try and put some solvent weld just on this top face. So I'm just using like an old paintbrush just so that I can apply it there. Now that will then line up, and we're just going to push this in. For not doing it cack-handed, push it into place. There we are. And just for the top face, we're now going to put solvent weld in. Just a nice excessive amount, that's fine. And then we've got this top piece, and then we're just going to basically press it together. And we actually have got a mechanical press in the garage, but it's obviously not too good for this video. Anyway, there we have our wheel. Now all we're going to do is just slowly push that away, and there we have it. We've got our wheel, and we've got these TPU tyres, which we will then pull in, and there is actually a lip for them to pull over, and that's just got a tyre on. Obviously this is what we made earlier, and obviously the customer's going to put in some brass bushings in the centre of the wheel that will run on the suspension arm, but yeah, that's just done. Thank you for watching. Good night.